both groups maintain muscle mass, but the compressed eating window guys, they lost weight, and their insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, which is one of the best markers for longevity and health span, fell, and the folks who were eating in the 12-hour window had no change in weight and no change in insulin-like growth factor. Same amount of food, just compressing the eating window, had all of these benefits, including weight loss. So the other fascinating thing that I write about in the book is that athletes actually perform better in a fasted state than a fed state. So exercising fasting allows you to get more blood flow to your muscles where they need it. Right. So there are lots of other benefits to fasting, including improved brain health. And one of the obvious takeaways from looking at fasting in whatever form, whether it's multi-day fasting, whether it's intermittent fasting, whether it's time-controlled eating, whether it's 2-day fasting, 2 days a week of reducing calories, which is the true intermittent fasting, whether it's every other day eating. You choose the study, you can find dramatic benefits overall and also into brain function.